Mississippi has more than its fair share of sinus sufferers, but cutting-edge technology in Biloxi is making sinus surgery easier for patients with chronic sinusitis.
Karen Abernathy, hopefully with some good news for those suffering with sinusitis on our Health Watch report.
Certainly is good news. It's called Sinuplasty, and it involves the same technology used in balloon angioplasty for the heart for sinuses. A Coast doctor is one of the innovators of the procedure that's now helping patients around the world breathe easier. Ear, nose, and throat doctor Ray Weiss gets excited when he talks about balloon sinuplasty.
The genie's out of the hat. We know how to do this in a better way.
Better than traditional sinus surgery because he says it's easier on the patient.
It allows us to, without cutting tissue out, remodel the natural way in and out of the sinuses, and we do that with a soft, flexible balloon.
It's the same technology doctors use to open clogged heart arteries. With the patient under general anesthesia, doctors thread a guide wire equipped with a tiny balloon through the nostrils and up through the blocked sinuses. They then inflate the balloon just enough to open the passageway. The balloon is then deflated and withdrawn.
What it does is it moves the lining and the little eggshell-thin bone that's right beneath that lining. There's very little to heal. They're actually on the lining of their nose. There isn't anything to heal because we're not making cuts this time like the traditional procedure.
And Dr. Weiss has more experience with sinuplasty than any doctor in the world. He's one of only 6 physicians involved in a nationwide study that began a year ago.
A lot of pride from being in it from the very beginning. It was very, very scary. When we did our first case here, it was the second case done in the United States.
Since then, he's performed more than 70 sinuplasty procedures right here at Cedar Lake Surgery Center.
We're fortunate we're going to have the first 100 cases done at a single facility in the world, I guess.
So far, he says patients are happy with the results that get them back on their feet, breathing easier, faster, and with less pain than traditional surgery.
One of the neatest things that I've found is that so many of the patients come back much quicker after the procedure saying, look, I'm feeling good, my symptoms are I'm not having the headaches, and that's what our goal is. I mean, our goal is to try to make people better with the least possible done to them.
And this really is amazing, and Dr. Weiss says even though it's new, most insurance companies are covering the procedure. Now back to you.
Thanks, Karen.